Make a promise to yourself. No matter how hard it gets, you'll never give up on your dreams. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. I'm super excited to be sharing this news with you guys today because I feel like a lot of people really wanted to know, and not just like my subscribers, but like, you know, people that know me and just know that I do YouTube and etc. So I'm gonna be telling you guys in this video how much money does a small YouTuber really make, okay? But before I even get into, you know, the good stuff, I do want to address something on my channel. Now listen, y'all, I don't acknowledge negative comments, but sometimes like I feel like if that comment could help other small YouTubers, maybe it's something that I should include in the video. So basically, I got this comment on my channel. Somebody commented saying, you know, you have 3.2k subs, but your views does not match your subscribers. And she was saying, you know, do you buy views and or subscribers? So instantly I was like, what? You know, but I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I need to include this in my next video because I think it could help a lot of small YouTubers out there. So first, let me answer that question, even though it doesn't need to be answered. Those of you who know me, you know that I put so much work into my videos, into my thumbnails. I work really hard trying to edit videos and just bring you guys quality content, and I feel like that's the reason why my channel grows really slow, is because I'm not just doing things for clout. I'm not just doing things for views. I'm actually putting videos on YouTube that I feel like could help other people. Every video that I make is to help someone, okay? So at the end of the day, it was kind of just like, please do not disrespect everything I worked for. Like, come on, sweetie. But yeah, so to help you guys out, I just want to say, keep going, keep pushing. People are always going to say things, but guess what? Everyone is entitled to their own opinions and you can't change that. So keep pushing, keep going, regardless of who has something to say. Keep doing you. Okay, we're gonna grow together, and I'm gonna continue to bring you guys quality content, and I love you guys so much. So I know this was like a super long introduction, but if you're interested in knowing how much money I make on YouTube, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I love you guys so much. I can't wait to share this with you. Okay, so I'm gonna just get right into it. I received this from Google AdSense. I want to say, when did I receive this? I want to say September is when I received this. September of 2019. I think I would check that for you guys because actually I'm really not sure. But I just remember leaving for college and I wrote down a goal and I said I will become monetized by, I wrote out some date. But what ended up happening, this is what I'm telling y'all, write your goals down, bro. Like, I don't care how big, how small, write your goals down, because I said I'm going to become monetized by like September 12th. It was something like that, and it happened way before September 12th. Okay, so I went into like my Google AdSense account. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, it's important to note that like you have to set up your Google AdSense account. So make sure you get on that. In order to get paid off YouTube, I need y'all to understand that you need to have 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000 subscribers, and at least 4,000 watch time hours, okay? So they ended up changing how they do things. Like, I want to say, if it wasn't some years ago, it was like a year or two ago, and that's what it is. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So I been got 1,000 subscribers, but like I said, the videos that I make aren't always trendy videos, and so it took me a long time to get to 4,000 watch hours. So just keep that in mind. I'm so excited and out of breath. Anyway, they sent me this in the mail. basically I had to type this identification number into my Google AdSense account. It's just for like security reasons type stuff. So they sent me this, and then I did that, and I didn't get paid right away. So what ended up happening was, not only do you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but you also have to get to $100. Like, you have to pass a $100 threshold on your Google AdSense account before you can even get money. So once you pass that $100, you can get like the 100 and whatever it is, and then you could get, you know, paid. I was at like $80 for a long time, because I remember it was like 2 months, and I'm like, how does this work? But anyway, one day I looked and I was at 100, and I was like, yes. I guess with like Google AdSense, it falls on a certain like day, so like the 21st or something like that of each month. So I ended up getting paid the 21st of like January. So I don't know how I'm gonna show this to y'all. I'm probably gonna show y'all like a screenshot of my account, but of course I'm going to you know, have all my information and stuff. But I just remember waking up and seeing this screenshot that I'm about to post on the screen, going into my account and seeing money from YouTube or from Google, and I was just like, everything I worked for is like finally paying off, and it just feels so great. So I'm gonna show you guys a screenshot. As you can see, I made $106.37. Before I even got the money, I had to like fill out like a tax form, and I also had to set up my direct deposit, because that's how I want to get the money. I'm pretty sure if you want to get like checks mailed to you, you could, but I'd rather just do direct deposit. Yeah, I woke up, I seen this in my account, $106.37. So that was my first YouTube paycheck. That is how much money I got paid. Now, I do want to note, I've been doing YouTube for years, and it took me a while to just get $100. So I do want to note that if you just doing YouTube for money, it's gonna take you a minute to see the money. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're doing it because you genuinely like to do it and you're passionate. Because if you just doing it for money, yo, let me be the one to tell you, you're gonna be broke. Like, make sure you know you're doing it because you're passionate about it and you actually like making videos. And that's anything in life. Like, honestly, any job, any career, you know. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. I think I explained everything to you guys. I didn't really want to break down the whole process. I broke it down as much as I could, but like, it's super easy, super understandable. You know, if you're younger than like 18, make sure you get like a parent to read over everything and just verify it. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love you guys so freaking much. My channel is growing in a lot of really cool subscribers, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'm pretty much done because now I'm just rambling. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button, shorty, if you want to see more videos like this on my channel. And yeah, that was my first YouTube paycheck, and I'm excited for the future, and who knows what the future holds. But that's pretty much it. So bye guys.
Life's about choices, so make the right decisions. No need for eye drops, you got 20/20 visions. Win, lose or draw, you gotta stay committed. We all racing to the finish.